Brown sugar, often perceived as a healthier alternative to white sugar, is a common ingredient in many kitchens worldwide. Beyond its sweetness, brown sugar offers several potential health benefits due to its unique composition. This article explores the medical benefits of brown sugar and how it can contribute to your overall health. Nutritional composition: brown sugar is essentially sugar that contains molasses, which gives it its characteristic color and flavor. It typically contains slightly more nutrients than refined white sugar, including trace amounts of minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium. While the quantities are not significant enough to replace other dietary sources, they contribute to the overall nutritional profile of brown sugar. Energy boost: one of the primary benefits of brown sugar is its ability to provide a quick source of energy. The sucrose in brown sugar is easily digestible and can be rapidly converted into glucose, making it an excellent choice for a quick energy boost. Athletes and individuals engaging in intense physical activity may find that consuming brown sugar can help replenish energy levels effectively. Antioxidant properties: brown sugar contains antioxidants due to the presence of molasses. Antioxidants are essential for combating oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants in brown sugar help neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Digestion aid: brown sugar can act as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It has been traditionally used to relieve symptoms of indigestion and stomach upset. The presence of molasses aids in the digestion process by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. Additionally, brown sugar can help stimulate bowel movements, making it beneficial for those suffering from constipation. Menstrual pain relief: women experiencing menstrual cramps may find relief by consuming brown sugar. It is believed that the magnesium content in brown sugar can help relax muscles and ease discomfort during menstruation. A warm drink made with brown sugar and water can provide soothing relief and may help alleviate cramps. Skin health: brown sugar is often used in natural skincare treatments due to its exfoliating properties. When used as a scrub, it can help remove dead skin cells, promoting healthier and smoother skin. Additionally, the glycolic acid present in brown sugar can help improve skin texture, making it an excellent ingredient in homemade beauty treatments. Weight management: while brown sugar is still a form of sugar, it may have a slight advantage over white sugar when it comes to weight management. The presence of molasses in brown sugar can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. Incorporating brown sugar in moderation may help satisfy sweet cravings without leading to excessive calorie intake. Respiratory health: brown sugar has been traditionally used as a remedy for coughs and respiratory issues. Mixing brown sugar with warm water or herbal teas can help soothe the throat and reduce irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate symptoms of colds and respiratory infections. Conclusion: in conclusion, brown sugar is more than just a sweetener. It offers several potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. Its unique composition allows for quick energy boosts, antioxidant properties, and digestive aid. Additionally, it may provide relief for menstrual pain, contribute to skin health, assist in weight management, and soothe respiratory issues. However, while brown sugar has its advantages, it is essential to remember that it is still a form of sugar and should be consumed mindfully. By incorporating brown sugar into a balanced diet, you can enjoy its benefits while maintaining overall health and wellness.